So the first supplier, the best supplier I recommend for dropshipping in the beginning is AliExpress. AliExpress is a website based in China, and they have a huge network of suppliers and products on here. There are millions of products on AliExpress, and this is the best place that I recommend for starting your dropshipping business. The next supplier is CJ Dropshipping. CJ Dropshipping is another great company. As you can see here in the delivery time section, you can get generally fast delivery to your customers, right? AliExpress takes 2 to 4 weeks, but CJ Dropshipping is usually 1 to 2 weeks. CJ Dropshipping is another great supplier you can use if you don't want to use AliExpress. However, the pricing will be higher. Next, you have Zendrop. Zendrop is also another great supplier. Zendrop tend to have faster shipping than CJ Dropshipping, and they also have their own US fulfillment center. So in many cases, you can find products that are based in the US, and you can get 5 to 8 day shipping times to your customers. However, once again, Zendrop is a lot more expensive than AliExpress and even CJ Dropshipping. But you can get US fulfillment, you can get, custom branding, fast shipping. There are many great options that you can get when you use Zendrop. Next, you have Spocket. Now with Spocket, you're not shipping from China, right? Discover top dropshipping suppliers from US and Europe. So with Spocket, you can get 1 week shipping times for a lot of products that are not based in China. You can get products that ship from the US and Europe. So as you can see, find winning dropshipping products, try the products yourself. So this is another great service that you can use if you want to dropship without using China and their long shipping times. And finally, you have USA Drop. This is another supplier that can ship from the US. As you can see here, they offer 2 to 4 day shipping times for many of their products. So USA Drop is another great supplier that you can use for your brand.